we are going to see unary operator. So unary operator is like, you can see from the name, it is unary means like single. So it is used to perform the operation using a one operand. So first one is, it is used to perform, it uses one operand to perform the operation. And second one is, it is used for increment or decrement using 1. And next is like, it is used for negating the value. And the last one, it is like, it is used for the inverting the value. So these are the purpose of unary operator. So what are the unary operator? It is used to do this operation is like, it is nothing but this unary operator is divided into two types. The first one we will call it as postfix, and next one is prefix. So here when we are coming to the postfix operation, we can see that postfix operation, prefix. So in postfix we can see that the expression plus plus, expression minus minus, example x plus plus comma x minus minus, these all will comes under postfix. And prefix will comes under like plus plus expression or minus minus expression or plus expression minus expression. Everything will comes under a prefix operation. And next we can call it as like negating the value, we will use this symbol, and for inverting we will use this symbol. So the unary operators are plus plus, minus minus, negating, inverting. These are the unary operators. So we can see an example in unary operators. So here I have created a class for unary operator. Like this you can create a class, and I am going to assign some value. So I am going to assign a number equal to like just 20 I am going to give. So here I am going to use a unary operator. So you can see here initially I am going to use like plus plus and minus minus. We can call it as auto increment or decrement. Now here I am going to give number. So when I am giving this number, I am going to enter the original value. So what will be the original value? That it will get printed in this. So the number will get printed. And in next I am going to give the increment operator after increment. So after increment is like I am going to give the value like, so here after increment I am going to give this like number plus plus. Now I am going to give number minus minus. And next minus minus of number, and next plus plus of number. So this is the post increment, and just I am going to write here, this is the post increment and this is post decrement. So only after this execution of this line it will increment and update in the memory location. That is the meaning of post. So pre-increment is like after performing the operation only it will update in the memory location. That is the difference. So here this is the pre-decrement and this is pre-increment. So let's see what will be the output. So for this initially you will get the output 20. And next for this you will be getting the output 20, because after allocating the number to the memory allocation only, it will give the increment answer 21. So now for this it will give 21, because here initially the number value is number equal to 20. After that it is number minus minus. So here the 21 is in current memory location. After that only it will get decrement. And again it is decrement by 1. So after this it will be 20. Again it is going to decrement. So minus minus number is like 19 you will get. Then it is incrementing by 1, so 20. So you will be getting the answer like 20, 20, 21, 19, 20. So let's execute the program. So you can see here the original value is 20. After increment it is 20, you can see, because after only it is performing increment. So 21, 19, 20. So this is the unary operator. Using one operation, we are going to perform the functionality. So now we are going to see a negating the value. So I have given int number equal to 20. So if I am going to perform here the negating the value, what will be the output, we can check. So negating symbol, you have to give this symbol and you have to give num. So when you are giving this, the output we can check. So I am going to execute this. You can see it giving the number minus 21. So why it is giving minus 21 is like, because here the minus, why we got the answer, this is like minus of all the total positive number that starts from 0. That's why it got like minus 21. So for example, if I am giving 25, you will be getting minus 26. So because this negating the number, it starts from the 0. So that increment by 1 and it will negate the value. So this is the purpose of negating. And next we can see it's like Boolean. So for example, I'm giving like Boolean of C is equal to true. So here if I want to invert this Boolean, I can give like this, just not of C. So if I execute this, we will get the inverting of the number. So we got false. So num is 2. So I got minus 3, and here not of C is false. So this is the purpose of a unary operator.